Hello students, welcome back to your computer class. You can see this is MS Word open. In your previous video you have learned how to open our MS Word window. We have learned about the tools. I have also shown you how to type using shift key. We have seen the use of spacebar. Now all of you, I think you have recalled how to type a sentence. You will be able to do, I hope, because most of you are familiar typing in your smartphones, so this is not much different. The use of the shift key and the caps lock key is little bit different from your smartphone. Today I will show you the use of copy paste and cut and copy. So by this time I think all of you have seen that what is written on the screen. Yes, this is your favorite childhood poem, and I know most of you have already started rhyming the poem. So today what we will do is we will show the use of cut and copy. Can you see here what I have written here is Jack and Jill. Jill is written here 2 times. So how will I remove this? Yes, obviously I can press the backspace key to erase it, but I will show you another way. The use of cut. I will select the part that I want to remove. How I have selected is the cursor was over here. Left click the mouse and drag it. This part got selected. This part is in blue now. Now I will press on this cut. You will see as I press on this cut, this selected part, selected Jill, the blue Jill will disappear. It will move from here. See, it has moved. Now there are some other use of this cut. Not only for removing, by using this cut, you can remove a part from where it is already written and you can paste it on some other part. Say the last part, to fetch a pail of water. Say I want to remove this part from here and I want to write it anywhere over here. So what will I do? Same way I will select the part. How I will select the cursor? I will bring the cursor over here beside this T of 2. Click on the left click on the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right. This part is selected. This part is now in blue. It is highlighted in blue, means it is selected. Now I can do what I want to do with this selected part. So first I will cut this part. As I will cut this part will get removed. Now I want to paste the part. I want to rewrite this part in this here somewhere below in the document. I can rewrite it by typing also, but to save my time, to make my work less difficult, I can paste the part that I have cut. How I will do is I will bring the cursor down first, pressing the enter key. This is the enter key. I am pressing the enter key to bring the cursor down. The cursor is now over here. You can see the blinking line, the blinking cursor over here. Now if I will paste it, suppose I will click on paste, you will see the part that went to fetch a pail of water, this part will be pasted over here. Just watch it. When I click, it will be pasted. See, this part that we have removed earlier to fetch a pail of water, this part has come over here now. We can write it anywhere. We can put it anywhere we want. Now this is about removing by use of only cut, and cut and paste means the part that we have removed from a particular area and we have pasted it on some other part of the document. Now if you want to rewrite a part, what we can do to make our work easier, to save our time? We can select the part and we can copy paste. Suppose this line I have written, the poem is written in a form of story. There is no para breaking, nothing. These things also we can do by use of cut and paste. I will show you that the poem is written without any title. There is no title given. How can I give the title? Let me bring a line above first. I will bring this line down using the enter key. This is the enter key. I will press it. The line has come a little bit down. Then using this up arrow key, I will take the cursor up. I will press the up arrow key. You will see what happens. The cursor will move up. The cursor went up. Now over here, I can paste this title. Jack and Jill will be the title of the poem. So I will not rewrite it. I will copy it and I will paste it. First I will copy it. This part is copied now. Now I will paste it. You will see, children, as I will click on paste, this part will come over here. Over here we will get a title of the poem, Jack and Jill, written again. This is Jack and Jill. Now we can shift the writing towards right by pressing the space bar. This is the space bar. I will press it. You will see, as many times as I press it, or if I hold it for a longer time, this writing will shift. It is now in the center. We can move it. If you think that it has went too much on the right side, you can bring it to the left side by pressing this backspace key again. I am pressing this backspace key. It is coming to the left little bit. So probably this is the correct position for the title. In this way we can change the other lines also. Like from here if I select it and if I copy it down, this line will come on the next line. Like this we can create a para also. So the video is becoming a long video. I will stop it here today. We'll learn some more things in our next video. Goodbye, children.